Have you ever wondered if you could set up your Galaxy Watch 8 without any Android phone or the wearable app? Maybe your phone's not around or you just want to use the watch on its own. Well, you actually can, and here's how it's done. So after turning it on, make sure it's on setup mode. First, select your language and then region, and then just go ahead and press restart. It'll restart into pairing mode. All you gotta do is just press and hold over the Wear OS logo for more than 3 seconds. Now, this process might seem easy, but it's kind of tricky. You might need to release and try to press and hold it for a few times. And when it shows restarting, that means you're successful. Just wait for a while when the watch restarts in its functional mode. If you've set up your Watch 8 without any device whatsoever, the functionalities will be limited and might also show wrong date and time. But whatever the reason, you have set it up separately, doesn't matter. This is the way you can do it. Thanks for watching.